Good morning to Miss Swai and my fellow friends. So today my group counseling and I will start to presenting our research paper, chapter 1 and 2. Our topic is the effect of family socio-economic status on universities' academic performance. So now I will start with the introduction. Education is a method of providing or receiving structured instruction, especially at college or university. In this modern society, education is important because the basic mechanism for improving the quality of the population of a nation, and education during childhood is a fundamental mechanism for developing the quality of the human labor force. According to Hackman 2011, childhood education not only influences individual academic achievement and satisfaction, but also influences the nature of the society and the capacity to determine the potential of a growth of a country. Moreover, social economic status and education of family do have huge impact of the student personality. Parents that have educated, they will have a better understanding the needs of the education and the potential of their children. Family socio-economic status impacts student academic performance in one way or another. According to Omuraka 2001, every student has certain psychological and physical needs to fulfill to enable them to improve their academic performance. For example, healthy food, providing books, a healthful environment of reading, and attending the best available school may help students to have better academic performance. Therefore, according to Abdullah 2011, quality of education is a key to supply the right human resources for socio-economic to rise living standard and facility to the certain of wealth. So now for the problem statement, family which have high socio-economic status tend to raise children which is more successful in their academic performance. This is because families with high in socio-economic status are willing to spend time and money to cultivate their children. For instance, children with high socio-economic status will have better environment to continue their higher level studies. So the second problem statement is, by many educational professionals who relate to the academic achievement of students, socio-economic status is one of the most discussed factors. The most prominent statement is that children's socio-economic status determine the consistency of their children's academic performance. More researchers observe that lower socio-economic status have a detrimental impact on student academic performance because students are lack of necessity and thus do not perform well academically. For the third problem statement is, students with financial difficulties tend to face common challenges. They are diverted from their studies by their financial difficulties and they struggle to get good grades and therefore have to struggle to find a career. Low socio-economic status affect environment deficit, leading to low student self-esteem. So now for the significance of the study, the primary aim of this research is to discover the impact of family socio-economic status on academic performance of university students. Therefore, families with low socio-economic status can find ways to improve the academic performance of students. Hence, families with low socio-economic status can learn to provide more support on the student needs on academic. Other than that, this study can allow teachers to have better understanding the differences between, between students with low socio-economic status in the family and high socio-economic status in the family. Consequently, teachers can provide more assistance in academic for students with low socio-economic status. There are two research questions. For the first one, what is the relationship between family socio-economic status and university student academic performance? For the second question is, what are the implications of the socio-economic status of the family on the academic performance of university students?
Moving on to the next part, which is literature review. Education is a way that offers intelligence, ability, and awareness to individuals, helping them to recognize their rights and responsibilities. Education is an important part of the modern era. People need a high-quality education to be able to succeed in this dynamic environment. Society today is focused on individuals with high quality of life and awareness that help them to provide better ways to overcome their issues. The first subtopic is parents' qualifications on students' academic performance. A research done by Dr. Abdurrahim in 2015, and the aim is to investigate the socio-economic status of a parent on the academic performance of secondary school students in Acadie State. For the method, a survey questionnaire was conducted including a total of 960 students. The questionnaire consists of students' name, family members, academic results, parents' income, and parents' qualifications. For the results, the qualification of parent on the academic performance of students is statistically important at level 0.05. Approximately 35% of the overall difference in the academic performance of the students was clarified by parent qualifications. Next, a research done by Akpo and Akche in 2013, and the aim is to analyze the effect of socioeconomic status of family and the level of education among students in Calabar South. For the method, a survey questionnaire was conducted and a total of 600 students were participated in this study. The first part of the questionnaire comprised of 16 items to collect information on the educational level, on parents, and the socio-economic status of the parent. For the second part, the questionnaire have 20 things organized in a form of statement. For the results, students from high educated parents are more susceptible to delinquency than parents who are not formally educated. With highly educated parents, the mean score was 41.991. Not formally educated parents was 38.34. Therefore, both studies has proven that parents' qualification influence students' academic performance. The next subtopic is parent income on students' academic achievement. According to a research done by Chioma in 2017, the objective is to figure out the effect of socioeconomic status on the academic achievement of students in Japan, specifically parental income and parental-child relationship. A survey questionnaire was used in this research. A total of 300 students who participated in a questionnaire for this report. The academic grade point for exam was used to measure the academic success of the students. As for the results, 54% of participants agree that parents who had a successful career encourage their children in studies, and 44% of participants support that all learning materials be provided to students from wealthier families. The next research done by Azido in 2016, and the objective is to investigate the relation between family income and tertiary students' academic success in Ghana. For the method, a questionnaire was used to gather data in order to address the literature-generated research questions. The question included the demographic financial status of the family and the performance of the students. As for the results, for education, 250 students depend on their parents, which is nearly 52% of participants, while 170 students have a career that will help pay their educational fee. And there are also 45 students who count on student loan trust fund, and the remaining 15 students who require bank assistance. Therefore, both studies has clearly shown that parents' income does influence students' academic performance. The last subtopic is parents' occupation on students' academic performance. A research done by Usani and Abu Bakar in 2015, and the purpose is to analyze how informal and formal parental jobs in Kuala Terengganu, Malaysia significantly influence the academic performance of students. For the method, a total of 377 students were participated in this survey questionnaire. For part 1, it consists of issues regarding to demographic information which Part 2 consists of survey questionnaire related to parental jobs. And the result shows that 63% of the students' academic performance are affected by their parents' occupations. Hence, the study has confirmed that there is a link between the career of a parent and the academic performance of the students. For the current study, we can infer that family socioeconomic status has an influence on the academic achievement of students. To find out the effect of family socioeconomic status on the academic achievement of students, it is important to measure the examination result of students with high socioeconomic status in the family and students with low socioeconomic status in the family. There seems to be a limited number of past studies on the effect of family socioeconomic status on the academic achievement of a university student. There are many past studies focused more on the student outcome, learning burnout, human lifestyle, physical and mental health. Therefore, the objective of this present study is to investigate the relationship between family socioeconomic status and the academic achievement in a sample of college students.